This is the way we cut watermelon here in this house. I think it's the most efficient way. Cut both ends off. Stand it up on the end. You just shave it down and around, like so. And then from here, we just cut it in steaks. And you could cube it up however you want. Small cubes. Cut it in strips. Our family prefers it in about a 3-inch strip. The kids tear it up. Perfect. Oh, sweet watermelon. There you go. That is the best, most easiest way to cut a watermelon. Here's gonna be. Enjoy your summer.